I'm a located. I can feel your presence. And I know why you are worried.
I heard his grandmaster telling him that he should not allow my body to be buried. He's coming for my corpse. He's coming for my corpse.
You enrich your husband without you knowing. The way to have fast growing wealth is by sleeping with you, dead or alive. That is why he shall continue to sleep with your dead body in order for his wealth to increase. For the few days you were absent, he encountered a fall in his wealth. That was why he kept making love to you, even when he was not in the mood. If your brothers return your remains to the mother earth within 21 days, their wealth will increase and your husband will go poor. But if they don't return your remains to the mother earth within 21 days, poverty, pain will return to your family.
What must I do to stop him from removing my corpse from my father's compound?
Anger. Anger. Intensify your anger. But his grandmaster is very powerful.
What are you trying to say? What are you trying to tell us? What are you trying to say? Not possible. For what? Hey, you cannot man. Hey, I will deal with you. I told you I will deal with you. I told you. Officer, this way. My in-law. My in-law. We are not getting to this. I've not gotten to this level now. These are the two vagabonds.
We are not afraid of you.
We are
not criminals. We are not criminals. We are coming for India. If I told you one of that place,
you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do that. No, Chief. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't go.
Guy, what is so urgent that you couldn't talk over the phone?
Amanda, Mua Buego Fu, Kina was a guy. Me, new money guy. Hi!
Of course, yes. Calling you guy will let you know that I'm no longer interested in your money. I am here for old time's sake. At least it was blissful while it lasted.
Oh, it was blissful. At least you accepted that it was blissful. Anyway, thank you for coming.
You're welcome. So what could be urgent? Because I need to leave this village as soon as possible. The whole place irritates me.
Anyway, Amanda, as you know, I'm not a man of too many words. I called you here for 2 reasons. One is to apologize to you for thinking you're after me because of my new money. I am sorry. 2, I want to thank you for making me see myself for the man I was and making me to turn a new leaf. I want to say thank you. Please, Muabuego of new money. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
Are you being serious right now, or this is one of your gimmicks?
Me, new money gimmicks. You know me now, I don't say what I don't mean. If I say something, I mean it. I am sorry. I came to apologize to you before I leave this village as well. Please, I am sorry. Bye.
It's fine. I forgive you.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Come. Anyway, let's go somewhere and sit down for a while.
All right.
What are you doing with this? Just watch. Yeah, madam. Let me do you. Allow me to go. Just allow me to go where I'm going to. What is it again now? Eh?
Okay. I don't understand though. I don't understand. This engine is the okay. Everything do okay.
You are supposed to have serviced your car before going for business. Eh? I paid you heavily for this.
Okay, don't worry. I know how to handle this thing. Just calm down. Okay, calm down.
Oh, which kind of thing is this? Huh? This is not the first time I have used you.
Okay, this one is again stubborn spirit. Bia. One year. You come my way. Not me kill you. Just allow me go. Eh?
Again now, what kind of wahala is this one? Eh?
I don't just understand what they happen.
You don't understand what they happen as in what? What is wrong? What is wrong? What is it?
Fire don't go down, man. Hey, what kind of wahala be this one? I don't time for this kind of waka. Ah, don't be still pay me for. You spend on too much.
Look, you are complaining instead of you to go and look for organizer.
We want to organizer for this village now, okay?
Eh?
Okay, go pay me more for this field.
But get that from here. It's money the issue.
We want to organizer for this area now. For this.
In this busy street, this busy road.
Okay, don't tire for this kind of waka. Eh? See.
Shut up, oh, I'm going to look for organizer. You don't time. Did that pay you? Go look for organizer. Go now, pass here.
How did you people escape?
Auntie, the police van spot and then we escaped. Where are they?
They just left. They took her. The elders just left now.
This will not happen. It will never happen. We are going to recruit the youth.
Yes.
Go to his city house, destroy it, and destroy him.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go there. Let's go and get the youth.
Don't worry.
Let me just stay around so that in case anything happens.
Don't worry.
See, Only be careful, no? Be careful! Hi! Jesus.
Oga, the car no gree go front oh. Come. What is this now? Eh? Oga, the car no gree go front again now. Now so only back they enter. They use back to go round, now use back to move. Oga, how go use back they follow you for this kind of road? Which kind of nonsense is this? Okay, let's carry up inside my car. Come, let's carry up. Come on, quick. Come and carry this thing. And where are you going with it? Remove this thing, idiot! Move! Oh, what is it now? Don't you know how to start car again? Stop, point that button. Ah! Do it again! Are you done?
Thank God I met you here. See, you need to help us now.
My guy, I heard what happened to your sister. Hey, what a pity. Hey.
I don't know how to begin to explain it, but she actually told us before she died that the husband is a ritualist. Yes, no, Malozi fan, I don't know, but she told us not to allow the husband take her body to his place. We should do anything and everything we can to make sure we bury her in the compound. Now the husband has come and used police to arrest us and has seized the body and taken the body to his house.
Your sister will have a very good reason why she told you people not allow that man take her corpse. Eh? Do you know what? We must get that corpse back from him.
Exactly.
We must get it back from him.
That's why I'm here. See, I need you to come and help me so that we can gather other youths. Yeah?
Hey, God, please. This is really bad. Hey! What they do here now?
What's happening now?
Where's your brother, Eliezer?
Why is he went to see other elders? What is it?
Why will you people lose guard like this now?
What happened? Eh? What is it? Enya?
I saw your in-law.
Chivodele.
Yeah, Chivodele. Where? I saw him, this junction. The funny part of it, I saw him, going away with your sister's corpse. Hey! And where?
Don't worry, don't worry. That's exactly what we're discussing here now. We need to go and call other youths and go and take our body.
Yes. Biko, yes, that is a good idea.
That's what I want.
Let's go and get what's his name? These boys. Wait. I saw this guy as I was coming back. Nyash, and that guy. Somewhere there. Let's meet them. Yeah, they will help us. Let's go. He's leaving. Are you leaving me? You are leaving me here stranded. I'm finished. And this car could not move. Grandmaster! Your wife refused to go back. She has been visiting a very strong, powerful native man. I can feel his presence and power here. Let me dash to my chambers. I'll be back. These people will see war. War from 5 kingdoms. Cosmic kingdom, fire kingdom, air kingdom, marine kingdom, and this earth kingdom. And let me see how they will escape. You, I've warned you, and I'm warning you again. You must continue to make love to that dead body. Otherwise, you will be in serious trouble. Hold on. Wait for me and come in. I am finished. Look, I will carry this corpse on my head, though. Eh? What? Police will see me. Papa there.
Sweetheart, what really happened? How did it go?
Wonders happened.
Yes.
You understand? The ambulance got spot. And before they knew it, we carried our sister's corpse.
Jeez.
With the help of some boys. Piam! We took off. Went and buried our sister.
The good thing is that our sister does not really want to go back to that house in the first place. You understand? So there's nothing anybody can say about it. And thank God for the boys that came to our rescue. They helped us. We are fast enough to bury her, and everything is fine now.
Hey.
So burying her wasn't easy. Yes. It wasn't easy at all. But I'm happy that we've done it.
Yes. That is all we need to do. And that is fine.
What did you people do? What did you do?
Like what?
You bury your sister in your father's compound. It's an abomination, no? Oh, quite look over.
Is it your sister?
It's an abomination.
Iche, if I slap you now, you will leave this compound. Am I even saying, in fact, get out. Get out.
Odinaka!
Oh, get out! Get out from here! Get out! Get out!
All about anger issues.
Let me see anybody that will come here and talk nonsense. In fact, anybody that comes here and talk nonsense will collect.
Okay. Jiwayo, if you kill someone, you go to jail.
Brother, please, leave me. We have gone through a lot today. Imagine coming here, carrying our sister. And if not that she doesn't want to go back to that place, including the police and everything, and we going there to carry her back to this place and burying her. What effrontery? You're still coming here to talk nonsense. Anybody, if I get anybody here, Makatuku, that person will collect.
Why? Hi.
What of thing is this?
Ibeneme, do you mean this?
Yes, they have finally succeeded in taking her corpse from their in-law. Now they want to bury in their compound.
In this case, I don't have anything to say on this.
No. You have to say something, no? Because if these boys commit abomination, we'll suffer for it. Oh. Yes. They even pushed me out of their compound. And that makes me believe that the one that killed her for ritual.
Ibeneme, are you sure?
I am sure.
Even that their in-law, are you sure he's innocent? Are you sure he's innocent? You don't understand these people. In that case, I will go there and find out myself. I'll go there.
I will take my leave, but I will make sure they pay for what they have done to me today.
Hey! Ibeneme, let's go. Let's go. Because I must tell you, even that their in-law, you can't be sure of him. You can't be sure of him too.
No, I will not allow this to happen. I will not. Hey! Grandmaster, where are you? Grandmaster, show yourself! Where are you? mommy.
My uncles?
Yes. Eliezer and Odinaka. They killed your mommy and they refused to give me her body to come and show you.
But why? My mommy is their sister.
Ask me. It's alright, don't worry. I know what to do, okay? I am going to arrest them with police. Just wait for me, I'm coming there. I'm coming.
No. But why my mommy?
Ichie, we've done what we're supposed to do. She's our blood sister. And we know what she told us. And we must respect her even in death. Back there is where we buried her.
Yes. Ichie, we also want you to understand that wherever the elders want to take us to, we can go and swear.
Is this what we should be talking about now? This thing that you people are talking about, like, is this the main thing? Someone just died, for crying out loud. Adane just died. What are you people talking about?
What would you have me do or say? It's not surprising and very, very surprising that she came here and died here. What would people think? And what would they do?
Uncle, they can go ahead and say or think whatever they want. Okay? Even Chief Odili, if he wants, we can give him back the money he paid on our sister. Yes. Or they can even divorce him then. Who is this again? Who is that? I don't need this kind of... Who is this again? Hello? Hello? Who is this? Huh? Akachi. Which Akachi? Akachi. Where have you been? And how did you get my number? Of course, Akachi, it's been 6 years now or so. Akachi, it's okay. It's okay. I've forgiven you for all that happened. I've forgiven you. It's okay, but right now I'm in a family meeting and I would want you to call me back in 30 minutes time, if you don't mind.
So, you understand what I've said?
Huh? You've lost it all. They have already buried her. Hey! I'm finished. Oh, I'm finished. Grandmaster, what do we do now? The only way out is to go and exhume that body, take it back. Make love to the dead body. Otherwise, your damn ball is here. But, Grandmaster, is there nothing you can do? I mean, maybe kill them for me. Kabush. You know we don't have such powers. There's division of labor. Ours is to make people rich, and we've made you rich. Go and look for any other means to fight these people. You've lost it all.
Odiri, your wife has been seeing a very strong native man, and he made everything bare to her. Oh. As I'm talking to you now, she has already paid the ultimate sacrifice. The yoke of poverty that is holding her brothers has been broken. So go home and think of what you are going to do. Otherwise, poverty will visit you and encamp around you throughout the whole of your lifetime. Hey. Okay, Grandmaster, maybe I will have to use my military connection to overpower them and exhume the body. Huh? Hey. Oh, good. Hey.
Huge sacrifice a sister made for her brothers to be liberated. What kind
are
of
we going to do?
Is this?
I mean, how are we going to raise money for sister's burial?
You don't need to worry yourself. I mean, we've done all we could. All we need to do now is to pray so that all the businesses we're supposed to do kicks off. Then we are rich.
Brother, it's obvious to me now that the death of our sister has opened way for us. But there's one more thing we need to do. We need to go and bring Angel out of that man's house. We need to go there and bring her out.
I don't need to worry yourself about that, okay? You don't need to bother yourself. If that evil man wants to kill his daughter, he should go ahead and do it. When the money we're waiting for comes, we'll find a way to go and bring her out.
Okay. That's a good idea. Liz, I'm relieved. Your phone is ringing.
Is Akachi again?
You want to take my answer?
Hello, Akachi? Yeah, I'm fine. Wow. Akachi, you don't mean it. Akachi, I promise I will not disappoint you. Akachi, thank you so much. Akachi, trust me. Thank you. Thank you, Akachi. Thank you. Odi.
What did he say?
Odi.
Oda. Ununu.
Odi.
What can is now?
I don't understand what is going on. What kind of a thing is this? Odi, what kind of a thing is this? Odi! Odi, oh my God! Hey! Pakatam.
Aya! Again.
Nka! Pakatam. Bravo!
Obia.
Pam. Odi, we've made it. We have made it. Akachi have made us rich overnight.
Obia. Also here. Hi! Hey! Also. Hey! Odogu. Oh God.
Hi.
Tugu. Oh. Akidi.
What a huge sacrifice a sister made for her brothers to be liberated. What kind of love is this? Blood of a sister is one
Great Iroko. So this is how you will go. Is this how I am going to end? No way. I will not die this way. What was I doing when my wife started visiting a native doctor? A very strong one at that. Hey. So my wealth will go just like that? Look at this foolish girl. What use are you to me now? Your mother that I've been using to get rich has finished me by dying. I don't think you're of any use to me anymore.
Daddy, talk to me.
What is it?
I'm hungry. I've not eaten anything since today.
Oh. You've not eaten anything? Okay. Don't worry, I will look for food for you. Just wait for me. Let me go and collect my car keys.
Okay. Daddy, are you taking me out to eat?
Yes. Wait for me. I'll come.
This is very strange. Can't you see that your sister was right? Your sister was right. Hey, that man is very wicked. Nah, I won't care about wicked. So this man has been the reason you people are poor. So he has been the brain behind it. No, Bamba, this man is so wicked. Immediately your sister died. Open doors. Open doors from nowhere. No, this is strange.
She's right, though. She's right. Our old friends who never cared for us, all of a sudden, they're beginning to help us. So all this while we've been covered by one evil. I think it's because of that evil veil that covered this family that made this not to happen all this while. Now, business from everywhere.
But Imago, the part that I'm not comfortable with is that people will now think we're happy that our sister died. But God knows we're not happy.
Odinaka, God knows that you people are not happy.
Sadly.
Your sister died. In fact, she went to pay the price for your breakthrough. She went to... she gave her life up just to see that you people become rich. No, she did a great thing. And we must help her by going to get her daughter out of that man. Yes.
I think she has a phone. Let me call her.
Biko, boy, Biko.
Grandmaster, she's in the car right now. Let me go and bring her so that we can perform the sacrifice. I don't want to be poor. Kaboosh. Kaboosh. Your daughter can never be used. It is only your wife. Because the power and the star the wife carry, nobody have the same. Please, don't kill the innocent girl. So, what you have to do is go and find any means to exhume her dead body and make love to her. Grandmaster, I don't want to go back to poverty. Kaboosh. Kaboosh. Oh. The poverty that have been engulfing your in-laws have been transferred to you. And your wealth has been transferred to them. Udi, I've done my best for you. Go and pick her dead body and keep it to yourself, you will never be poor again in life.
Grandmaster.
Yes.
That is not going to be easy. Oh.
The Igbo tradition has made it very easy for you. As long as you pay the dowry, the corpse belongs to you. So go and take it.
Really?
Yes. I will never be poor again in life.
Okay. Thank you, Grandmaster. I'll do that.
Young girl, what are you doing in the vehicle? Officer, come on. There is a guy in the vehicle.
This girl? What are you doing there? Where is your father?
Officers, you are here.
Yes, sir.
You are doing your work very well. Oh. Look at the way you are protecting my car for me.
Thank you.
This is my car.
So, where is the small girl inside?
Oh, that's my daughter. My daughter.
Where is your daughter now?
She's inside. Angel, come down. Angel. She's my daughter. See?
Is it your father?
Yes, he is. Daddy, why did you leave me in the car dying?
No.
But you said you wanted to take me off of fast food.
Hey, I went to see someone first before we go. Officers, I went to see somebody.
So let's go and see the person that you say you want to.
Officer, is it necessary?
It's very necessary.
It's necessary.
No, you can believe me. Take me for my word.
No. Let's go first.
Let's go and see that person.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Is she picking?
She's not picking her call.
Ha! You people need to go there and get her. You need to get out of that house, Biko. Please.
We are traveling tomorrow morning, you know, and it's very late. Biko, not now. Not now. Let us just go in and have some rest.
Hey, let it not be that this evil man will come here and dig up her corpse. Let it not be that this man will come here and dig up, and the elders will support him. The elders will support him.
You made a point there.
Yes.
Okay. See what is going to happen now, eh? We're going to buy some bags of cement and some number of blocks. Then we'll take it and cover the grave.
Yes.
Then call some boys to hang around there.
That's it.
We are going to pay them once we are done. With our travel.
Yes.
That is exactly what we're going to do.
Yes. And we have made money, but please keep trying the number.
This your brain is working.
Don't worry. I get me.
Your brain is working.
Call the number. Call her.
Hey.
But I'll try again.
Call her.
This is the man I came to see.
So this is what you are doing in this place, Oga? Huh?
He's the person I came to see.
So you are a ritualist?
No, I'm not.
You're not a ritualist? Oga, you have right to remain silent because we are going to the station. You're under arrest, Oga.
Boss! Officer, he's gone, no.
As you are here now, this is the activities that you people are doing here. You have the right to remain silent. Whatever you see will be using against you in the court of law. You're under arrest. Come, let's go.
But he's the one.
No. I can't take it. Let's go to the station.
As the Onowu and the Ujiofo of this great kingdom, I strongly maintain that what is his name? Eliezer and his brother must swear an oath. I'm going to unveil the offer for them to swear.
Mazi Beneme, I do not see any reason why these boys will have to swear. I think what happened was a mere coincidence that their sister had to die in her father's compound. Can't you see that?
Mba, Mazibekwe, I disagree with you. Look at the whole scenario. All of a sudden, they now have a big house. They are not big men overnight. Within the very short time that their sister died, there is more to it. And the only way they can prove to us that they are not ritualists, they did not use their sister for ritual, is to swear. I agree with you.
You see, the mystery behind all this is not clear to me. I mean, it's still very vague to me as far as I'm concerned. But then, whatever it is, whichever way, let the gods vindicate the innocent.
The only way the God will come into the matter, let them swear. Let them swear. Let the gods do their work.
Simple.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay by me as well.
Let's kick the ball rolling.
It's okay by me.
What is the offer? Offer?
My dear, I personally took your late sister to the shrine. Yes, for her to find out whether her husband was a ritualist. Because he refused helping you financially. But when we got there, the native daughter told her that she should be of concern of the poverty in her family, instead of going to find out whether her husband was a ritualist. I think I'm very sure that the success you people are enjoying now has a link to her death.
Iche, you're right. You're right. Because on that fateful day, she kept hammering about her death and all that. But we never cared to ask her why or what is making her to be talking about this. We never cared to ask her that. We thought she was never serious about all those things. But we can't question the gods. We must give her a befitting burial, and that's all.
So, you're also saying that the others wants us to swear with that we did not kill our sister. I mean that we're innocent.
The fast growing success in this family has become a surprise to every member of this village. Can't you see you're building homes? Such a defeat. Who has the money who can build that kind of house?
Even when we are disguising ourselves.
It still does not matter.
Because we still don't want to go and start buying cars, doing this, doing that.
Yeah, but the same way you are burying money. Don't you think they will be suspecting that? Though they are very serious that the elders must, make you swear. But I am sure that you are innocent because I'm part of it.
Of course.
Anyway, it's okay. We will swear. Just to prove that we're innocent.
I think that's right. What of your wife?
Okay, she went to the hospital in the city.
Yeah.
Actually, a cab came to carry her from here.
Can you see? These are the things they will be looking at. You see? So, they will be suspecting. I hope all is fine.
Just for medical checkup. I will check his here for area, mark a few and me and all that.
You can see money is now.
Okay. Yeah, but we still don't want to expose it. So
let's keep waiting for them.
Of course.
Until they come. Enjoy your money. Enjoy your money.
Ada, what is it? You were standing somehow on the phone. I couldn't make any sense of it. Besides, you look like a ghost of yourself.
Uju.
Yes.
Adane is dead.
Yes. What happened to her? Hey, boy, is that why you are looking like this? Hey, you want to go with her? I know she's our friend. But you are looking so... I don't understand.
Uju, you don't understand. I heard Chief Odili is a ritualist. And he used Adane for ritual.
This is a prank. What are you talking about? Hey? What are you saying? How can he use Adane for ritual? Are you saying that he killed her for money ritual? Tell me you are joking. You're just pulling my leg.
I wish I was. The news is everywhere that he used her for ritual. I am scared right now. What are we going to do?
You mean Chief Odili used Adane, his wife, for money ritual, and we've been collecting money from him?
Hey! That's why I'm scared. And you know the spirit behind his blood money might come after us.
God forbid.
Yes.
God forbid. I reject it.
Would you think of something? What are we going to do? I'm scared.
We have to do something. I don't want to die. I don't want to die young.
I told you, I warned you.
You are a fool.
Would you?
Are you not the one that said we should be collecting money from that man? Let's do something. Let me call my prophet. Don't understand.
Hey. Do you have a prophet?
Hey.
You people accuse me of ritual. That I used my own sister, my own blood sister, for money ritual. I will vindicate my innocence. Now you've come to tell me that Chief Odili, whom my sister refused to touch her corpse, agree with my sister that her corpse must be buried in my father's compound. It will never happen. It will not work. Never.
But that is our custom. That's all men.
My sister said that her corpse must not be buried by that her wicked and heartless husband. That I should bury her corpse.
I challenge you to dare it. Dare it, Eliezer. How dare you?
I challenge you. You challenge me?
Yes. Please, let us calm down and solve this problem once and for all.
See that things are turning around.
Fact. Something.
Human hand is beginning to turn to an ape hand. If you know you've collected a bribe from Chief Odili to put crisis in this burial, you better return it.
You will do no such thing. You will do no such thing. How dare you? Hi. Ma dowagaba. Ma doputegi leg no nogo. Boss go now. It's okay. It's okay.
We are not quarreling here.
It's okay. It's okay.
Because Adane is a good person who cannot bury her in crisis. Please, let's solve this problem gently.
Ujunwa, I need to know where you are taking me to. You made me jump into your car without you explaining to me. Okay, we are here to see one of my strong prophets. Yes, he has to do something before something happens to us. We can't just fold our arms and watch. Wait, Uju. So you even have a prophet you patronize, yet you never mentioned this to me. Are you interested in the solution, or you want to be arguing with me? I really need to know who I am dealing with. Because if you can keep this kind of secret away from me, a friendship of 15 years, then you have the capacity of killing me if you have any reason to.
Really?
Yes.
Really? You are lucky that we are here already. If not, I would have asked you to get out from my car. I'm trying to help us here. For your information, I can see that the spirit of Chief Odili's money is trying to separate us so we don't get solution to our problem. What is it? Take your time. Let's go and see this man. I don't have time for all these things. Take your time. Let's go, please. I'm tired of all this.
Excuse me, sir. Are you not Chief Ibeneme?
Yes, I am Chief Ibeneme, the Onowu of this great kingdom. And who are you?
I am Detective Johnson, and with me is
Officer Matthew. Hey, no wonder you are black, because I know detectives, they are always black. So, how may I help you?
Good. Chief, you are under arrest.
For what?
For being an accomplice to Chief Odili, the ritualist, who confessed to the crime and indicated you for being part of his plot. Chief, you are under arrest.
I believe that you people are mistaking me to someone else. They might have given you wrong information.
Chief.
It's not my own Ibeneme, it will be
Chief,
someone else.
I would advise you to remain calm. Whatever comes out of your mouth now can be used against you in the court of law. Officer!
Chief! Move him. For what, Tupan? I don't know what you people are talking
Chief.
about.
Chief!
Move now.
Move. If necessary, move.
Don't push. I'm the Onowu of this great kingdom. You don't,
Chief, move
you
now.
don't push Onowu.
Chief.
Or Chief.
Move.
Okay.
I don't understand. And his number is not even connecting. Ha! Uju, what are we going to do now?
Eh? Why must it be now that we're in this kind of situation that this man will choose to travel out of the country? What are we going to do?
Why are you asking me stupid question? Are you alright? Can't you think of something yourself? Think!
But wait, I thought you said he's one of them. Why don't we try others?
He is the strongest of them all. He is the one that can handle this kind of situation for us. Hey? Let me think, please. You can just prefer a solution for once. Think of something that we can do. You should think about something. Just prefer a solution for once. After all, you're the one that said we should be collecting money from Chief Odili. Now look at it. Look at where he has landed us. Look at, yes, you're the one that said we should be collecting money from him.
Are you not using it against me? Because we are not in trouble, right? Remember I just said that thing to just spite Adanne. Before you knew it, you jumped into action. Yes.
Don't call that name again. No.
Which name?
Don't call that name again before her spirit will come after us.
No, now. Which spirit?
The spirit of a dead person. Now why are you calling her name? Please. Let me just handle one.
I'm just joking.
Wait. I've seen it. This is it. This is Prophet Psalm 91.
Then let's land there now. Let's go.
Wait, hold on. It's ringing. I have a solution now. Let's go. Hello, Prophet.
Babe, wonders shall never end. Like, do you remember those my cousins I was having issues with because they were very poor?
Yes, I remember them.
As I speak to you, they are multi-millionaires. Those boys are eating new money.
Wow, how did it happen?
Well, to cut the long story short, it was discovered that their in-law is a ritualist. And he has been the cause for all their poverties and problems. He locked their success. And even the problem my father, myself and my cousins were having was not ordinary. He caused it.
Jesus Christ,
it wasn't.
So how was it discovered?
Well, it was the elder sister that sacrificed her life to break the jinx. You know, in order to free her brothers. Do you remember that day I was telling you that I changed my mind? That was the day it happened.
Are you serious?
Yes! That was the day it happened. And I want to thank you for, helping me to, change and turn a new leaf.
My love, good things sometimes come in a presumable manner.
You can say that again.
Untidy package. And
you're also a very special package to me.
Thank you for changing your impression over me.
Well, you cannot blame me, with my new money. It's very, very clear that most girls will want me for money.
And thank you also for choosing me as your bride.
I would say, choosing you or not choosing you, whatever. I love you. That is why I choose you. Right. I will choose you over and over and over again. Come here, give me a kiss. Life. Anyway, it's all good.
Hello.
Maazị Mbakwe.
Akwụkwọ brek eme. Udem.
Mana nwere
ndị iche. Ọdịnaka onye ike.
Onye iwe ọkụ. You know he has a lot of energy and strength.
Nke iwe ọkụ ahụ hapụgodi ya nro. Na anwaka.
Anwaka nọ. Kenka a na-eme. A na-alụ nwaanyị.
Ndị iche. I greet you.
Yo,
greet you too.
Okay, greet you.
No, why was someone?
I want to. We want to say thank you for being part of the funeral and making it a success.
Yeah.
So we all appreciate what you did, your effort towards our sister's burial. So I want to use this to show my appreciation. This is Oji.
Hey.
And this Shinab.
Hey. Omekania. Omekania. Woke Manama.
Oh, come my Yandoki.
You've done well. No. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
But you're on your right.
Thank you.
And the most important, I want to tell Iche that we've forgiven him.
Obi Sara.
Forgiving you. All the giddy.
Hi, my brother. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. You know, it's not as if I am doing doing everything I was doing for me to, but I was trying to protect the tradition and everything.
It's okay.
So
all in the past now.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay. I want you to send me your account number so I can transfer something.
Account number.
Yeah.
I will send it immediately.
Send it again. Welcome.
Can we put it in the
Bachelor I'm good. I want green.
Sirs, we want to say thank you. Thank you for your support. We appreciate you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey!
Dimba. N'ezinụlọ abịa ọ na-adị m inwe dimba.
Otu a. Nekwenka. Ma nke aka ya wụnyere anyị.
Hey!
Ya si kwa otu a dụrụ gawa.
Thank you. Hey, nna m.
Hey!
What a huge sacrifice a sister made for her brothers to be liberated. What kind of love is this? Blood of a sister. Is he one more? And then more. Oh, Yaliba. Body is in Mandu. Body is in one more. And then more. Oh, Yaliba.